Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing. House and lot for sale located in Lombardy, Hacienda Lombardy, Talisay City, Cebu. So this is the back portion of the house, guys, and it is along the provincial road, approximately few minutes drive from National Highway. And this can be convertible into a commercial property. So, pwede nimo gamun nga commercial ni guys. So, since the front is are already commercial, so kana uh, so the perimeter fence can be converted into commercial. See? As you can see, there are commercial already establishment in front of the house and lot. Okay, let's continue. Now we are going to enter to the subdivision at Hacienda Lombardy. So this is a subdivision developed by Camellia Homes. Mada siya guys. So katong atong gitan-aw, that is the back portion of the property we are selling, where it is along the provincial road, Maghaway Road, that can be converted into a commercial. That's the story of the owner. Now here comes the front, the main front of the house. So in the first place, at the back of the property, mura siya og one story. But in reality, when it comes inside of the subdivision, it is really a 4-story house. So ako'y gitudlo diha nga murag need to repair, need to have a repair. So ayuhono na siya guys, murag naagyoy retouching or repainting. So this is the ground area. Then see, here comes the owner. So by the way guys, the price is 8.5 million pesos, negotiable. So the ground has no rooms. Wala siya just only a storage room, then open area like a dining. So mo na sitwasyon guys. Then garage. See? So things are not included, no? Dili appeal. So, dili appeal ang mga chair, no? Deny chandelier dire. Chandelier, okay. That one. It's not included also. Balon sa tag-iya. They will bring that. Now we proceeded to the second floor. Kay ang sitwasyon magud guys, iyang gi-up pag build nila sa kuan sa balay. Iyang giapas ang yuta nga mo level sa karsada sa pikas bitaw. So this is their kitchen at the second floor and the terrace. So mana siya guys, nindot kay dire hangin-hangin. So dire man nag-inom o balena. Bitaw nag-offer si kuan. So naagamay yapon nga reperonon, no? Pero gamay ra kay na siya. So dire, they have their kitchen. And balcony. Murag terrace. Then this is like a loft type. This part of the second floor. Himuan nila murag loft. Pero reperonon yapon na siya guys. Ana siya. So nindot ba pagka-design sa So barato ra gini pagabaligya. Subasta na gani. It was built 2015 ba to gingon ni seller. So mo ni siya ayuhonon pa ni diari dia. Ini murag ni loft area. Wala ko mo tamak diha kay basin og according to the owner dili na siya ligon. So wala. But if you can repair, much better, no? So no rooms, no at second floor, only their kitchen, ana sila magluto ana. So this is the third floor. So mao na ni ang ni-level sa karsada guys. Mao ni ang third floor. So mura ni gitawag og mo ni ang dining area nila guys. So igawas ta diri no. So gi-emphasize ni seller nga diha dapit mo na ni ang yang itudlo no. Pwede na nimo gubon, mo ni buhaton nimo murag commercial area nga mo connect sa highway or sa provincial road. So itan-aw na mo no. So see ano na no sa akbang mo ni primero kuha na to video dire nga side. So mo na rin so according to the seller owner nga there's no problem with the association or the subdivision because it was already turned over. So meaning you can have an improvement or make it into commercial, and this one is the fire exit mo to siya kilid fire exit beside of the house. Gihimuan gyud na niya fire exit, hagdanan gyapon to paingon sa ubos. So walk up. So mo na siya guys. So mo niya ang dining, meaning kung na sila mga bisita, if they have visitors, then instead that they will go to the ground floor first, so they will just have it here from the highway. Pwede ra parking sila diha na dito. So mana siya guys. So this is the room. So nindot kayo no. Then last is the fourth floor. Napagay another floor. So mura ra next second story no kung mo level dito sa highway or sa provincial road. So mo na ni diri na ang mga kwarto pod uban. Mga night 3 ka kwarto diri. Then katong sa kuan 3 pod to. Mao to nga 6 tanan. So nindot sad no sa iya maning anak. Nanay CR dia private. See? Pwede na nimo utrohon guys. So lantaw na si view diri guys. So nindot kayo no. Simbahan at bang. Lantaw rin nimo. So very nice yun bitaw. So isulod na sa taglain nga room. Then there is a CR na sad. Na common CR diri guys. From other room, mga three tako rooms na usa ka CR din common CR. Itong primero sa masters to. Then with CR. Then this one is 2 rooms with common CR. So 3 diri. Aside katong dahil primero. So mo na no, si pag naog na to guys. So diri nga side mo ni ang gitawag og na kana hagdanan diri kana diha. Mo na ni ang fire exit. Gibuhatan yun na niya paingon dito no. Diskilid no. Nasa mga door diha no. Kana no. Ano siya fire exit na. So murag habog tan-aon. Habog yun, di kay mura. Pero di kay halata kay tuwa man ka dito nag-una sa ibabaw padulog. So mo na estado guys. Apo sa other side. So kini gid nga side na say mga repero nun yun. So ni pauli na ta guys. So sa Katagamay. So that is already the gate. So it's very close from the main gate of the Lombardy, Hacienda Lombardy subdivision. So nindot kayo no. So ni pauli na ta guys. So paingon na ta sa highway. So few minutes from the property, it's already a national highway. Then na dito at the corner is the gasoline station. Sa unahan gamay is the Star Mall. Then the other side is Robinson Mall. Then the wet market of Talisay. So nindot yun kayo no, as in super dako man sad og karsada. It's a big road because this is a provincial road. Napay daghang balay dito sa unahan, sa ibabaw. So, mao na siya guys. Diyan na ta sa highway. Then, pauli mata sa Cebu City. So, we turn right kay mas dali siya. So, pero mo turn left na dito ang Robinson, Wet Market, na ba? Then, so, dali na kayo, no? Eskwelahan, Don Bosco, nara diya dapitas dool guys. So, ni turn right ta guys. See? So, this is the national highway of Talisay City going to Carcar City guys. So, yan na ta sa stopping area. So, next to the stop area is already the Star Mall. So, doon ra gyud kayo. Now, we proceeded turn left to the SRP, South Reclamation Road. So, mo na makita na to ang New Star. Ano siya guys. So, mana. This is already the SRP road. Then next to the SRP New Star is the SM City Mall. Seaside Mall. So, mana siya guys. Dahil naman. Then makita na po na to ang CCLX. Cebu Cordoba Link Express. Mana siya guys. So, no star, no? So, see? Gusto ka magkasino, dali ra kayo adto na kas no star. Then, shopping, pwede ka to Star Mall or here in SMC side. Then, beside of SMC side, na pwede develop da guys nga mga Ayala Mall. So, libo na kayo. Okay? So, very nice yun ang atong property for sale, no? I repeat, house and lot tend to commercial. So, pwede i-commercial. Located in Hacienda Lombardi, Lawaan, Talisay City, Cebu, Philippines. So, it has 6 rooms, 6 CR, 1 car garage. Pero pwede ito mo i-open for another garage yapon. So, okay kaayo. So, mao ni ang ato ang SMC Side Mall. So, very nice, guys. Dayo na ta sa Cebu City. No. Ato ka Lapu-Lapu City o Cordoba, tipas ka ato ka agi sa CCLX. So, kini after CCLX kuno guys mo naman to. Another bridge going to Bohol. So, mana siya guys, no? Very nice. For inquiries, just contact me. And please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of land titles. Condominium titles. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. And God bless to all. Happy viewing. So, mahal na siya guys, no? Sisilix. Okay. Again, thank you very much. And God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.